It's now been 2 years since more people started experiencing homelessness than have found housing. In March, 1,337 people became homeless for the first time, while 1,226 were housed, a difference of 111 people. Regional Task Force on Homelessness CEO Tamara Kohler sent us a statement saying, "This sobering anniversary reveals the continued impact of high housing costs and low housing stock on our region." The statement calls for abundant housing for people of all income levels, keeping people in their homes and quickly ending homelessness if they experience it. Kohler wasn't available to talk with us on camera. She's been in Washington, D.C. this week, working with Congress on this very issue. San Diego Mayor Todd Gloria has also been in D.C. on other issues. His office sent this. The number of people becoming homeless is largely a result of our housing affordability crisis, which Mayor Gloria has made a top priority. The statement says 2023 was a banner year for housing, with 83% more new housing permits issued in the last year over 2022, over a quarter of those for low-income residents.
When I see the data from the RTFH, what really stands out to me is that 1,200 people made it home last month.
Tyler Renner, with the nonprofit People Assisting the Homeless, says it's more useful to look at trends than just 1 month's numbers.
It shows me that our system is working, that we're working with providers, cities, and counties to really make sure that we have a robust network of care.
Numbers from the task force over the last few months do show an overall positive trend. In December, the difference between the number of people experiencing homelessness for the first time and those finding housing was 412. It crept up a bit in January, but fell dramatically in February, and then last month as well, to a difference of just 111. Tyler Renner says while the city removes people from the streets, the focus must also be on preventing them from being there in the first place.
So I think focusing on the prevention, keeping people in their homes, and also increasing the supply of affordable housing, it's the front end and the back end that really need to be addressed.
The proposed 1,000-person shelter on Kettner Boulevard was supposed to go to the city's Land Use and Housing Committee tomorrow, but it was pulled from the agenda. The mayor's office says it needs more time to work on responses to questions from the independent budget analyst who's doing a deep dive on the deal. A deal that, when it comes together, will be one more step on the long road to solving the difficult and vexing problem of people not having anywhere to live. John Carroll, KPBS News.